Hello and welcome to the daily Forex report for October 24th. We're looking at the US-Japanese yen pair. This pair did create an inside bar during this last session. As you can see, had a very wide range but did close lower. We are looking for it to potentially go as high and hit resistance at 76.50, possibly moving down and hitting support around 75.75. Now the Euro-USD pair, this pair closed above previous area of resistance, looking for this pair to continue to the upside, possibly going as high as 140.61, possibly as low as 137.24. Look for some resistance around 139.50 and look for some support around 138.25. Now the pound US dollar pair, this pair we broke and closed above our previous area of resistance. We are looking for it to continue to the upside, possibly going up and hitting some resistance around 0.6050, possibly moving down and hitting support around 158.95. Now the US Swiss, this pair closed lower, pretty much closed right at previous session's close. However, it did break the low. We are looking for it to continue to the downside, possibly going as high as 0.9025. Possibly as low as 0.8691. Look for some resistance around 0.8875 and look for some support around 0.8800. Okay, now as far as news announcements go, we do have several news announcements. We have the Bank of England releasing their rate decision at 9 a.m. Eastern Time tomorrow. Consensus is they're going to hold at 1%. We also have the U.S. releasing their consumer confidence for October at 10 a.m. Eastern. Consensus on that is that it's moved higher from 45.4 to 46.5. Now we also have several announcements for the Australian dollar. We have one basically. It's the consumer price index for the third quarter. They do have the weighted and the mean and all that being released as well, but the basic third quarter report is being released at 8:30 p.m. Eastern Time tomorrow. Consensus on that is that it's dropped a little bit from 3.6% down to 3.8%. Not anything significant there. If it came out much higher or much lower, it would affect the markets. But overall, it looks like that news announcement, if it comes out similar, will be shouldn't impact the market too much. Now, what am I looking for during this next session? Well, we do have the inside bar in the US-Japanese yen pair, just not sure when it's going to break out. But I'd like to talk about the Australian US dollar pair. This pair today closed above its 200 period moving average, simple moving average. And what that means is that it's a good time to jump in the Australian US dollar pair for our carry trade, looking for it to move to the upside. So that is basically the play I'm looking. Probably putting my stop loss underneath this area here of previous support that we had, and looking for it to move several hundreds of pips up. Well, hope that helps, and until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.